Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kazim and today we are diving into something you might already have in your kitchen but might not be using to its full potential. It's olive oil. Specifically, we will explore the incredible benefits of taking just 1 teaspoon of olive oil every night. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, has been a staple in the Mediterranean diet for centuries and for good reasons. It is packed with health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. Today, we will break down these benefits and show you why this simple addition to your nightly routine can be a game changer. Olive oil has been treasured for thousands of years. Ancient Greeks called it liquid gold and used it not only for cooking but also for medicinal purposes. The Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil is renowned for its health benefits. But what happens when you take a small amount daily right before bed? Let's find out. Historically, olive oil has used in religious rituals, medicine, and even as a cosmetic. The ancient Greeks and Romans believed it was a gift from the gods. Today, modern science backs up many of their claims about its, health benefits. So, number one benefit is it improves heart health. Olive oil is packed with monosaturated fats, which are the good fats your heart loves. These fats help lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Imagine what just 1 teaspoon a night can do over time for your cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that people who consume olive oil regularly have a lower incidence of heart attacks, hypertension and stroke. This is because olive oil helps to reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, which is the bad kind, and increases HDL cholesterol, which is the good kind. It's like giving your heart a daily tune-up. Number second is it aids in digestion. Olive oil acts as a natural laxative, helping to keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. It can help alleviate constipation and even improve overall gut health. Olive oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the digestive tract, making it particularly beneficial for people with conditions like gastritis or acid reflux. It helps in the absorption of nutrients, ensuring your body gets the most out of the food you eat. So guys, number third is anti-inflammatory benefits. Olive oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's rich in antioxidants like oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen. Regular intake can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is great news for those suffering from chronic conditions like arthritis. Number fourth is skin and hair benefits. Beauty benefits are also a big plus. Olive oil is packed with vitamin E, K, which are fantastic for skin and hair. Taking a teaspoon each night can help your skin look more radiant and your hair shinier. Plus, it can even help with anti-aging by keeping your skin moisturized and elastic. Vitamin E in olive oil helps to repair damaged skin, reduce scars, and even out skin tone. It also strengthens hair, reducing split ends and promoting growth. A small nightly dose can make a big difference over time. Number fifth is weight management. Olive oil can also aid in weight management. It helps you feel fuller for longer period of time, reducing the likelihood of midnight snacking or overeating. Its healthy fats can boost metabolism, making it easier to maintain or even lose weight. Unlike other fats that are stored in the body, the monosaturated fats in olive oil are more likely to be burned off as energy. This can help with weight loss efforts by boosting your metabolism and reducing your appetite. Number 6 is cognitive benefits. Another surprising benefit is for your brain. Olive oil has been shown to improve cognitive function and may reduce the risk of cognitive decline. The healthy fats in olive oil support brain health, keeping your mind sharp as you age. Studies suggest that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil is associated with lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. The antioxidants in olive oil protect brain cells from damage, and its anti-inflammatory properties help to maintain cognitive function. Now here's a question: how to incorporate olive oil in your whole routine? It's very simple. Just pour a teaspoon of high quality extra virgin olive oil and take it straight. If the taste is too strong, you can mix it with a bit of water or lemon juice. Consistency is key, so make it a nightly ritual. Make sure to choose a good quality extra virgin olive oil. Look for labels that indicate it's cold pressed and unrefined. Store it in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. Taking it at the same time every night can help make a habit. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of just 1 teaspoon of olive oil every night. From heart health to better digestion, anti-inflammatory effects, beauty benefits, health management, and even cognitive improvements. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more health related videos. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you tried taking olive oil nightly? What benefits have you noticed? I would love to hear from you guys. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Thank you so much.